There comes a moment in every life when everything feels heavy, when effort goes unnoticed, when hard work doesn't pay off immediately, when people doubt you, and slowly you start doubting yourself. But listen carefully, this is not the end of your story. This is the pause before the comeback. Your downfall didn't happen because you're weak. It happened because you were carrying too much alone, because you tried, because you dared to dream bigger than your comfort zone. Failures don't break strong people, they build them. Remember this, every successful person you admire was once tired, once broke, once ignored, once laughed at. The difference? They didn't quit when it hurt. They didn't stop when it got silent. They didn't give up when results were slow. They chose the comeback. Right now, you might feel lost. Motivation feels fake. Hope feels far away. And the world keeps moving while you feel stuck. But understand this, being stuck is temporary. Quitting is permanent. Your comeback doesn't need permission. It doesn't need applause. It only needs one decision. I will rise, no matter how long it takes. You don't need to be loud. You don't need to explain yourself to anyone. Let your discipline talk. Let your consistency answer every doubt. Wake up even when you don't feel like it. Show up even when no one is watching. Work quietly while others complain loudly, because comebacks are built in silence. One day, the same people who ignored you will ask, "How did you do it?" And you'll smile, because they didn't see the nights you cried, the mornings you forced yourself to stand again, the battles you won alone. Pain changes people. Some give up, some grow. Choose growth. Your past doesn't define you, it prepares you. Your scars are proof that you survived. Your struggles are evidence that you're still standing. And as long as you're standing, the comeback is possible. So rise, even if it's slow, even if it's messy, even if no one believes in you yet. Believe in yourself, that's enough. This is not your downfall. This is your training phase. This is the chapter where legends are built. And when you finally make it, your comeback will be louder than your excuses ever were. This is your time. Stand up, fight back, and write the strongest comeback of your life.